Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not rotating on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve not rotating on Magic Tiles 3, you can go to settings. After that, you can enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.